Hello guys, welcome back to our video. So for today's video, I'm playing Roblox, but this is not the account that I have. This is my new account. I'm pretty full, but I look like Jujuba TV right now. Oh, and this bud fruit. Okay, let's play. Look at this combo. One hit combo. Actually, I'm giving away an account, but it's not max level, but it's good on Black Sport. Comment down below if you want one. It's only one. I'll choose. Actually, don't use a cheat. It's bad. Wait. So you can see my stats. I do have permanent fruit. But the one I am giving away has a permanent fruit. Hey, give me your money. I will shoot you. Here. I was gonna give away a Buddha and gas, but I got scammed. The use trade scam. Let us go and second see. I don't wanna lose my bounty because my bounty is 4 million, bruh. Wish me good luck. He's 2.4 M. Yeah, bro. Yeah. I am giving away account. That is 2 account. The first one is not max level, but many items on inventory had Kitsune Dragon. The second item is max level and had many all items.
Natin.
No.
Tinupad ko na yung wish mo.
Later, I will end the stream. Oops, be record. I will end the video. Bye. I will end now. Goodbye.